The toolbar is this area right here. And if you do not see the toolbar, if you look at this up and down carrots, they probably look like this. Top one up, bottom one down. You need to touch that to expand so you can see your toolbar. So your toolbar can be rearranged as the order of what you see, or you can remove what you see and add things. So I'm going to touch the ellipse. This is the ellipse right here, the three dots. And then you want to scroll down to the bottom where it says reorder items right here, and you want to touch that. Now this will show you all of your current items in the toolbar, the top, and in the order that they are in. I do not use stickers, so I'm going to pull stickers down. So I'm going to touch, hold, and drag down. Now it automatically replaced it with my count because it's going to shift up to have 4 in the toolbar. What I'm going to do is add to do, and I'm going to put to do, touch and hold and drag, and I'm going to drag it where stickers was at. Now if I wanted to do to be the first item on the list, this is what I do. Then I would touch and hold and drag over and drop. GIFs or GIFs, however you pronounce it, I use settings more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and drag this down. I'm going to go down and grab settings, and I'm going to drag it up. And I would prefer to have settings all the way over to the right. So I'll drag it over to there. Just remember, touch, hold, then drag. Once you're done, touch done. Now your toolbar will reflect the changes that you've made. You can exit out of this by touching the X up here in the upper right, out here beside the toolbar. That'll take you back out to your key. You do see an exclamation point there in the toolbar. You may see it. If you do, you can touch it and you'll see some helpful hints. Right now, the only thing I have there is need help, find answers, and Swiftkey support. You may see things like add to do. That one recently came about, I think, or other things. So that's it. That's how you configure the toolbar in Microsoft Swiftkey. This is on a Microsoft Surface Duo, but this will work on all Android devices.